rustle of leaves, I hear a tale. Whispers of wind through valleys sail. Colors so vibrant they call my name. Nature's breath in a timeless frame. Raindrop falls from a cloudy sky on a blade of grass where dreams lie. Listen close to the birds' sweet tune, secrets of life in a sunlit noon. Oh, the world around us sings so true. Wisdom hides in skies so blue. From the smallest ant to the tallest tree, nature's voice sets our spirits free. Moonlight dances on the river's edge, echoes of truth in the forest's pledge. Majesty found in stone so old, stories of life in tales untold. Every dawn brings a new start, every dusk whispers to the heart. In the calm of night listen well, nature's wisdom where we dwell. Oh, the world around us sings so true. Wisdom hides in skies so blue. From the smallest ant to the tallest tree, nature's voice sets our spirits free. So true, wisdom hides in skies so blue. From the smallest ant to the tallest tree, nature's voice sets our spirits free.